Hello friends. Is evolution just a theory, or is it actually a fact? Where did our oldest ancestors really come from? Around 4 billion years ago, life began on Earth. After billions of years of evolution, countless species of plants and animals emerged. Everything you see today, trees, insects, birds, mammals, all exist because of evolution. And among those species is Homo sapiens humans. But the big question people often ask is, if humans came from monkeys, then why do monkeys still exist today? Why didn't all chimps and gorillas evolve into humans? Some people even go on to say evolution is fake. So how true is the theory of evolution? Is it just a theory, or is it also a fact? And how did different species evolve over millions of years? Let's understand everything in today's video. Clearing the biggest misconception first, evolution never says that monkeys turned into humans. What it actually says is, humans, chimpanzees, gorillas, and other primates all share a common ancestor. That ancestor does not exist today. Imagine evolution as a tree. A tree starts from one main trunk, then branches grow out, then smaller branches, then twigs. The tips of the branches are all the living species today. This is how evolution works. Some branches led to humans, some to chimps, some to monkeys. But why did some become humans while others didn't? We'll understand that further in the video. Darwin's big idea. In 1859, Charles Darwin wrote a historic book, On the Origin of Species. In it, he explained the theory of natural selection. Natural selection sounds very complex, but the idea is simple. Whenever living beings reproduce humans, animals, even plants, they pass their genes to their offspring. But during this process, mutations happen, small changes in the genes. For example, you have brown eyes, but your child suddenly has green eyes. That happened because of a mutation. Some mutations are useful, some are harmful. Those that help survival are passed on. This process is called natural selection. Example of the frogs. Imagine a brown frog living in a forest. It has 5 babies, 4 brown, 1 green. The green frog can camouflage better in green leaves and plants. A snake comes and eats the easy-to-spot brown frogs. The green frog survives, reproduces, and now more green frogs appear in the next generations. This is how natural selection works. Survival of the fittest. Misunderstood, many motivational speakers misuse this phrase. Fittest does not mean the one with big biceps or six-pack abs. Darwin meant the species that fits best in its environment will survive. Fitness equals adaptability, not muscles. How life actually evolved. If you go back in time through the evolutionary tree, you will always find a common ancestor at some point. Millions of years back, a special type of bacteria appeared, cyanobacteria. These were the first organisms capable of photosynthesis using sunlight to produce energy. They also released oxygen as a byproduct, and that oxygen eventually shaped Earth's atmosphere and made life possible as we know it. Every species alive today exists in a kind of balance with its environment, a balance created by billions of years of evolution. This was the basic idea of how evolution works. If you want next part on this, so comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing things.